Break down the boundaries of the classroom and explore subjects in ways you never imagined with the VR/AR Education Kit. Travel the world without leaving the classroom with Google Expeditions. Explore mathematical concepts in more depth with R-Loon Geometry AR. Create and code your own virtual environments and VR experiences in CoSpaces EDU. The possibilities are endless, as you can use any app available from the Google Play Store. Take your class's creativity to the next level with Merge Cubes and the other creation accessories included in your kit. Let's take a look at what's in the kit. The teacher tablet contains all of your login details, as well as controlling all devices whilst using the Google Expeditions app. Whilst doing an expedition, the teacher has access to information, questions, content and functions at their fingertips. The Lumination VR headsets have an adjustable strap, interaction button and focus dial. They are a one-size-fits-all and can even be worn with glasses. The student VR/AR devices are extremely powerful and versatile. This means you can download and use any app from the Google Play Store, which has the widest range of VR/AR applications for education of any platform. Guide your students through shared educational experiences with ease with the LeadMe Learning app developed by our team here at Lumination. Designed for Android devices, LeadMe puts the teacher in control. With the students in follow mode, launch an app or website on everyone's device simultaneously. Then watch as your actions are echoed on your students' screens. When it's time for the students to explore for themselves, put them into free play mode with a single tap. Your Google Wi-Fi router comes pre-configured, enabling devices to operate independently of your school network. This means there's no setup hassle and the devices will automatically connect to your teacher tablet for a plug-and-play VR experience. Your kit also comes with Merge Cubes and Gizomos flexible tripods. The Gizomos tripods are compatible with student devices, as well as the Ricoh Theta 360 camera. They can be used as a tripod for capturing photo or video and offer a hands-free option when students are using augmented reality. The bendable legs allow students to attach the tripod to poles, tree branches, or wherever their creativity takes them. The Merge Cube brings a tactile dimension to extended reality, allowing students to hold and explore virtual objects and enables an entirely new way to learn and interact with the digital world. Our team utilised cutting-edge CNC technology, laser engraving and UV printing to include your school logo on Pelican cases, devices, headsets and cameras. At Lumination, we want to work with teachers and schools to adapt VR and AR to suit your classroom and your school environment. We're with you every step of the way with a free Getting Started webinar, professional development for teachers and a library of lesson plans to enhance new learning. To get started, call us on 1300 833 765, visit our website lumination.com.au or email hello@lumination.com.au.